Yo, what's up, everybody? This is your boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G. Y'all already know, man. I'm doing this video on these headlights, and this is for a Honda Civic from 2001 to 2003. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had the car, I changed these, I took these headlights out because it was too yellow, and I got an aftermarket headlight. But that's not the reason why I'm making this. The reason why I'm making this video is because I want to restore these headlights, these two, you know. But I'm gonna show you one of them how I'm gonna do it. And the cheapest way I'm gonna do it for right now is this right here. I'm gonna try this with toothpaste, like everybody was talking about, toothpaste, and I have the toothbrush, you know, to scrub it and all that. Then after that, after I take this off, I'm gonna have this wax thing right here, the cleaner wax, you know what I'm saying? So that way it'll protect this and it won't be able to go yellow that fast and all that, because I done did my homework. So I'm just doing this the cheapest way, to be real with y'all, because it's my very first time ever doing this. Don't judge me, you know what I'm saying? And already, you know, I was cleaning this too, and I was using this right here, this purple power right here, to, you know, shoot the dust off, because it was dusty, you know what I'm saying? It was dusty and it's been sitting there for a minute and all that. But yeah, man, I'm about to get to it. I'm about to clean these real quick, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this headlight, one of them as an example, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Oh yeah, and another thing I meant to say in this video is that on this toothpaste, it says whitening, which is really good. Whitening is good. Peroxide and baking soda, which really help the most. Baking soda really cleans stuff out, make things whitening, you know what I'm saying? It's good for your teeth and all that, but I'm using this for my headlight. I'm about to try it out, and let's go. So yeah, there you go, man. I cleaned the back up as much as I could, like it's still shiny and all that, because I cleaned it up with this over here, you know, as I show y'all the stuff, and I put a little water on it too. So I did both of them and all that. No dust, no dirt, nothing back here, you know. I did the best I could, but it's definitely clean, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to get ready and throw toothpaste and show you the example. You heard? Alright, bet. So this is one of the headlights. This is the perfect example and all that. Right here, this toothpaste right here, what you want to do is take this off, right? Use your finger, put it on your finger, and then just start spreading it on here like this. You know what I'm saying? So now I use my fingers. I did this already. So now what I'm gonna do is use this toothbrush to spread it. So if I see like any yellow and stuff like that, that means it's working. So let's get it. Okay, it's working now, you know. Alright, so boom, now I did it. I used this toothpaste, a little yellow came out of it, you know what I'm saying? That means it's working now. So what I'm gonna have to do is get like a water, like with spray and stuff like that. This is water, this is not no soap or nothing like that, this is water. So I'm just gonna spray on this real quick. And now I gotta wipe this off now. And you can use a paper towel, whatever, but I choose this because this comes off fiber towel, so. So you want to put water on this again, so that way it'll come out better and stuff. And it's coming out like new right now. So yeah, man, this is clear. It came out pretty good, you know what I'm saying? The yellow came out of it as clear as day, you know what I'm saying? It looks brand new a little bit, but that's the best I could do, you know what I'm saying? But one more thing I have to do to clean is that I have the wax cleaner right here, so that way it will come out sparkly, and it will not, like, basically it will not turn back into yellow for a little while, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? And this, plus this is polished too, so this will definitely work on this as well. So let's get it. So now I'm about to use this wax cleaner and another microfiber towel. I didn't want to use the same one, you know, not at all. I like to use different stuff, so I'm gonna use this and this real quick. This is marvelous. This is so amazing. This came out wild clear like it's brand spanking new. But I did like 2 little coats on it, you know what I'm saying? And another wax again and all that. So that would come out clearer, and I just cleaned it up, man, hard. You know what I'm saying? Comparing to my old one right here, the other one, this is, I think, the left headlight, but this is like foggy, and this is clearer, like way clearer. And this came out brilliant for cheap. All I gotta do is use the toothpaste and the brush. Then I just gotta use the right tools. And then the microfiber towel really helped out the most, G. I ain't gonna front. But I honestly want to thank every single one of y'all for watching my videos on YouTube and stuff like that. And this is what I like to do. I love gaming video games, but I love to clean, I love to fix, I love to design. This is what I love to do the most in my life, especially on cars like this. You know what I'm saying? I no longer have the car, but good. I just want to show y'all that I'm very creative. But hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and your boy Mr. 534 is out. Peace.